Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Square Reader. I'm using an LG K4 2017. You need to be careful if you're picking out a phone to work with the Square because it needs to support Bluetooth LTE, and some of the phone manufacturers aren't very good at telling you whether or not the phone supports it. Anyway, on we go. Open Play Store, search for Square. Looking for this one, Square Point of Sale POS. Click Install. Okay, downloading it will take a couple of minutes. And wait for it to install. Right, assuming you've got the default Play Store settings, it should put an icon on your home screen. So go back to your home screen and tap Point of Sale. Right, assuming at this point you've already created your account, you need to log in. If you're anything like me, your password is completely insane. Tap sign in. Okay, you need to go to each one of these individually. Enable location services, click allow. Enable device storage, click allow. Enable phone access, click allow. Okay, this is a tip. It comes up, one variation of it or another comes up at the start. Just click X to exit. Now if you're starting the app for the first time, it might try and take you through doing a basic transaction and a refund. You can go ahead and do that. I find it's easy to skip it at that point because you don't have the reader installed. It's only showing you the basics of doing a transaction basically for cash or typing the card number in. In this video basically we've set up the reader, so we've skipped that. Okay, so tap the menu in the top left hand corner, tap settings, scroll down to hardware, card readers, then select connect to reader. Pairing requires Bluetooth, so we select enable Bluetooth. Okay, until it tells us we are going to press and hold the button on the reader until it flashes orange. Okay, it's gone green. Now at this point it might need to do an update. There we go, it does. Select OK. Okay, we shall run to the tutorial for the Square Reader. You can charge it. Again, I went through this on the unboxing. Charge socket at the bottom. Someone just needs to tap their card. The nice thing about that is that once you've typed in the amount, they can just swipe their card. You don't need to select it. This is everything. Okay, we're done. Right, the reader has been updated. It goes black at the top. It's been updated and it's connected fine. Okay, it's an unbelievably simple process. I'll end this video here and I will skip to do the next video and we will take a payment.